Check that out. Buc-ee's jalapeno and cheese smoked sausage. And we're going to throw in some HEB, Texas Heritage beef sausage. Alright. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. So I'm going to throw this sucker on the Z-Grill, both of them. But I'm going to come back and I'm going to do a taste test because I'm looking for some of the best jalapeno and cheese or cheesy jalapeno sausage, whichever one you want to call it. That's what this is about. That's what a couple of these videos are about. Check them out. It's Papa Texas. Yeah. Look at that goodness. All right, let's do a taste test. Of course, this taste test is our Buc-ee's jalapeno and cheese smoked sausage. Let's see what it tastes like on our quest for some of the best cheesy jalapeno sausage around here. Yeah. This is beautiful. It really is. Let's go with this one right here. Woo! Look at that goodness, as Bill Gowdy says. Yeah. Alright, we're going to give it a taste. Woo! Mmm. Hot, 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 hot. Mmm. Look at that. This is really good. Again, and I have nothing to do with Tender Smokehouse. Tender Smokehouse is still, the cheesiness in it is really good. This does have the jalapeno kick to it. I can feel it, and I know I'm going to feel it more here in about 5 minutes. But when you're near Buc-ee's, Florida, Texas, jalapeno and cheese smoked sausage, Papa approved. It's really good. And while you're in there at Buc-ee's, you need to check out Uncle Steve's Shake right there and get you some of that goodness too. Anyway, folks, this is Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See you on the quest for awesome cheesy jalapeno. Yeah. See y'all. God bless.